I am Dr. Patrick Biliku, the initiator of the Youth Virginity and Empowerment Project. The project uses the integrated learning model to effect behavioral change in children. The children that participate in this project are drawn from schools in our immediate environment. In these schools, results are manually processed, and this is subject to a lot of falsifications. This further worsens the problem of exam malpractice that is very, very prevalent in my community. The project is aimed at also helping to solve this problem, which is almost endemic in my community. The software we developed is an online application, software application that processes these results automatically and eliminates most of the manual interventions that create room for these falsifications that will become a problem. In this video, I'm going to go through the basic menus in this application and the very few features that time will permit us to display. Showing right now on the screen actually is the logon page of the website. The application is hosted online on www.tikla.com. I have typed the URL and I've come to the login page. To sign on to the login page, I will put on my sign on with my password. And then I click log on. Once that happens, I'm signed on to the application, and the next page, I see the list of schools that are currently on the application. And then I can choose one of them. In this case, I want to look at data about students, their enrollment, their attendance, how their results are processed in the school called Heritage Creativity Schools. By the time I click on the school, I'm taken to this menu where I'll be able to set up the school, also create subjects, process assessments, enrollment of students, user operations like processing results, and a couple of other things, other setups that involve the result. And this system also provides for newsletters to be sent to parents through this online system. And like I have said, this application enables us to process results in several schools. And so we can actually change from one school to the other, as many as there are in this community. In the next menu, I am displaying the profile of a student. Her name is Adoku Grace Ochanya, and the profile contains the details of this particular student. Whenever a student is enrolled on this system, we also take the passport of the student, as you can see on this very menu. With that, when that is done, it's now possible for teachers to enter scores. I have shown here the menu that the civic education teacher can use to enter the scores for exams. And as the teacher comes to this menu, the names of all the students in that class is displayed, and the teacher can enter scores, like I'm doing now. Subject to the maximum score, which is also reflected on the menu here as a 70. The teacher goes ahead, fills all the scores, and then he submits. Once this is done, the results are then automatically processed by this system, and the results are displayed in the form of a PDF for reporting purposes. I just showed this now as what the teacher would ordinarily do. I'm showing a situation where the teacher has already entered those scores. And after they are processed, we can then see the result for Ochanya. This is the result for the current academic session. It contains the subjects that the student did in the term, the number of subjects, marks obtained, students average, class average. The software also provides that the affective domain behavior of the child is recorded in the software. So we have class attendance, neatness, punctuality. These are aspects of the student's affective domain that is recorded by the software. The software also records psychomotor skills, such as communication skills, attitude in work, in school, attitude to work, and a couple of other psychomotor skills like sports, music skills, and so on. At the end, the principal or the class teacher and the head teacher pass their comment, general comment about the child. This is the result that is made available to the parents online as well. The parents are able to check these results in the comfort of their homes. And of course, the menu I showed here of the teacher is also available on the teacher in the comfort of his home using his smartphone. Parents check results also using their smartphones for analysis purposes and also for reporting to the educational ministry or inspectors. There is also the master sheet, which is prepared every term, to show the nominal role of the students, the subjects that the students did for the term, and then other details like the total scores, average scores, and the position in the class. These reports are all generated automatically once the results have been processed. And the next thing we have is a menu that enables the class teacher to enter attendance for the students. The nominal role of the students are also displayed, and then the class teacher can enter, their attendance in class, and in school generally. This can be done for all the classes, in the school. As you choose a class, the system refreshes, and then bring up the list of the students in the class that you select, just have just done now. Once this is also done, we can look at other features as well. The nominal role of student also is a report that is required very, very often. And so we have the nominal role of students in this particular class showing here right now. And it can also be printed in PDF. If we click PDF now, the system comes up with the list in a PDF format that can easily be printed. All right, now it has come up now, so you can see that this is a PDF version of the nominal role that we just saw now. This can be printed, and then it's a report that is quite useful to the school. So briefly speaking, this is the software I have developed to help stem the tide of exam malpractices in my community. It was also very useful during the COVID-19, as a COVID-19 compliant tool, because with it, parents don't need to come to school physically to collect results. So we're able to reduce, contacts. And then, like I said before now, the teachers are able to enter results in their house, unlike before in the manual system, where the teachers have to congregate in the staff room to be able to enter results and process them. So in this way, we also are able to contribute through the project, to ensuring that COVID-19 protocols, are observed. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.